Hi everyone, nice meeting you again on this channel, Bali Tourism Media, which always focus in providing some information about regular Bali tourism update. If you are looking for your next holiday going to Bali, or you are as a travel planner, travel organizer, tour operators, holiday makers, etc., you are on the right channel to review this destination which will be presented on this video. Today, I will accompany you to visit Sanur tourist destination area and would like to show you the right situation in Sanur during the pandemic transition period in Bali. I'm now driving on the main road in the village center of Sanur, next to Sanur Paradise Plaza Hotel. On the way from the north, would be showing you directly to the main tourist destination area located close to the beach to south part of Sanur. Sanur is a tourist destination located on the southern island of Bali. It is on the east of Denpasar city and it is a part of Denpasar Regency. As a tourist destination, Sanur has grown since the establishment of the Bali Beach Hotel by the President Sukarno in 1963. The main attraction besides the culture is the beautiful nature panorama. The white sandy beach is in high demand by tourists. Sanur is known by the nickname Morning of the World from Bali because of the beauty of morning atmosphere on the white sand beach. We are now entering to Jalan Danau Toba, which is close to Shindu Beach, and there are some hotels accommodation available on this area, including Mangga Bungalow, Segara Village Hotel, Shindu Beach Hotel, and many others. This is the real situation right now while this video was taken as of September 2021. The situation on this pandemic transition period in Sanur tourist destination area is still very quiet and silent. We could not see much of significant tourism activities this time. We have seen together on the right and left of the street, most of shops are still closed. Historically, the Sanur area developed as a tourism destination that originated from the fishing village with a thick marine culture which is still maintained until now and extended, providing fast boat cruise transport service from Sanur Beach Pier to Nusa Penida as well as to Nusa Lembongan Island. The government shows its seriousness by setting the concepts of tourism development in Bali as culture tourism. Sanur is one of the tourist areas in Bali that developed steadily in more than half century. Since the early pioneering in the 1950s until now, this development is marked by the increase of tourism facilities all over Sanur village and Sanur beaches, such as hotels and restaurants, and the increasing number of tourist visits from time to time. Sanur area in South Denpasar is a tourist area that relies on culture and maritime tourism. Sanur is famous for the beauty of its rising sun, white sand, sea view from north of Sanur to the south, landscape and underwater nature. Yearly tourism events have been done regularly in Sanur village for many years, such as Sanur Village Festival, Kite Festival, Food Bazaar, music and art performance, Bali Culinary Challenge, and sport tourism also mark the Sanur area as a dynamically evolving destination. Nowadays, during this pandemic of COVID-19, nothing much can be done in tourism sector. However, to those who are in tourism hospitality industry, they still actively keep maintaining the existence to be the tourist destination which is really worth to visit in Bali. We are just entering Danau Toba Street and we are passing by Danau Tamblingan Street right now. This area is part of tourist destination area in Sanur, which are close to the beach. As you have seen on this video, the tourism situation right now in Sanur area is still very silent. Most tourism service sectors such as hotels, restaurants, beauty and spa treatment companies, travel agencies, tour operators, money changers, tour counters, handicrafts and souvenir shops, art markets, marine and dive companies could not do much, and most of them are still closed. They really keep waiting a good news from Bali government of when Bali to open for international tourism. Lots of people now in Bali are staying home and back to their respective villages as nothing to do right now during this pandemic period, as most of them were previously working in the tourism hospitality industry. They are now doing whatever they can do in the village, fight for their life, and it is really struggling. There are many good and recommended hotels to stay in Sanur area, from low budget to high class international standard hotel chains over there, such as Ina Grand Bali Beach Hotel, Segara Village Hotel, Sanur Paradise Plaza Hotel, Ina Sindu Beach, Kriya Santrian, Maya Sanur Resorts, Hyatt Regency, Holiday Inn Sanur Bali, Mercure Hotel, Swiss Bell Hotel, and many others. Some of these hotels are used as accommodation hotels for quarantine for people affected by COVID-19. The main best tourist area with the hotel's location are around Danau Toba Street, along the street in Danau Tamblingan and Danau Poso Street, Sanur Beach, Sindu Beach, Segara Ayu Beach, Pantai Karang, Semawang Beach, Mertasari Beach, and Watu Jimbar Beach. Please note on your wish list as a destination to visit or stay while holiday to Bali, the island of paradise. If you find this information is useful as what you are looking for, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to be able to get my next videos regularly related to tourism update for Bali and beyond Bali. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Last but not least, thanks for watching, bye for now, and of course, see you on my next videos.